Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and if you need to charge one of these, or some of these, you're probably going to need one of these. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this new power bank from the people over at Silicon Power. Now this was sent to me free of charge for review purposes, but they have not asked me to verify the video or check it or anything like that, just asked me to take a look at it and see what I think of it. So that is exactly what we're going to do in today's video. So first of all, this is a luxury power bank. Now when I say luxury, I know that probably seems like kind of a weird way of explaining what a power bank is, but this isn't your normal power bank. It's not one of those cheap plasticky flimsy things which you're terrified of plugging into the mains because you never know if it's going to explode, catch fire or damage your equipment. This is a high spec item, and unfortunately that isn't actually reflected in the price. This at the moment you can get from siliconpower.com for a very reasonable $18.99, which probably equates to about £15 here in the UK. Now, I will be putting affiliated links in the video description below so you can check out the local price in your area, but actually this seems to be pretty much below the standard pricing for these higher end devices. You can pick up lots and lots of cheap 10,000 mAh chargers for around about the sort of £15–20 mark in the UK already, but I've had a look and none of them seem to be quite as fully featured or as nice looking or as reliable as this particular unit. So let's take a tour around the box and go through the specifications, and then we'll take it out and see what we actually get for our money. So first of all, as you can see on the front of the box, this is a metal casing and it's got the 10,000 mAh ratings on there. This supports USB Type-A, USB Type-C and micro USB in its various forms. It supports PD charging and also Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3, so really fast charging. This unit will actually charge itself in about 3.5 hours from completely flat, from a USB-C to USB-C type cable, obviously power source permitting. As you can see, it says it's got up to 18 watts of power delivery, which actually is pretty good, and that's about 3 times more than what you get from standard power banks. This is a dual input version, so you can charge it either from USB Type-C or you can charge it from micro USB, whatever cables you've got lying around. It is included with the cable, which is USB Type-C, so that's one of the types catered for straight out of the box. Moving around to this side, not very much. QR code for scanning so you can find out more information. And on the back it goes into more detail about the various features. So it features Smart Sense, Smart Boost, Smart Focus and Smart Shield, which essentially, if you boil it all down, just makes it a very reliable and robust device. Moving around onto this side again, same features again, and yeah, pretty nice overall. On the bottom it goes through the specs, so its capacity is 10,000 mAh. The colour of this particular one is black. The input is micro USB, and that's a DC 5V 2A or 9V 2A. Or if you're charging by a Type-C connection, then it's DC 5V 2A or 9V 2A with PD supported. Charging time, as we said, about 3.5 hours, and operating temperatures between 10 and 45 degrees C. Dimensions of this is 137 by 67 by 13.7 millimeters, and the item weighs 225 grams, so that's about 8 ounces or just under half a pound. So we get a instruction guide and manual. We get actually a really nice kind of spongy feeling pouch, protective pouch for carrying it in. So you can put the device in there, use a drawstring at the top, and then you can either use that to carry it with or whatever you want, or also it will protect the device as well. And should you drop it, because it is kind of like quite a thick sponge, it's going to protect it to some extent. Included, you get the Type-A to Type-C connector for charging, and you get the power bank itself, which on one side gives you information about the power supported, etc., and also the connectivity options. The sides are nicely rounded off, almost like a brushed aluminium effect, and there's some chrome highlights around the edge. On this end, it's completely plain, nothing there at all, and on the business end, we've got 2 Type-A connectors, we've got a micro USB connector, and also our Type-C connector. And next to that on the end is a button you can press to tell you the actual power that is left in the device. So you press the button and you get 4 LEDs. Obviously, depending how fully charged it is, that will show on the LEDs there. Also, whilst the unit is charging, when you've got it plugged in, those will flash and tell you what the charging status is. When all the LEDs have extinguished, it means it's fully charged and ready for you to use. So this device is designed so you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. So you can plug in a Type-A connector there, and we'll plug in our Xiaomi Mi A2, which takes a USB Type-C, so that is going to go into quick charge mode and it's started to fire up. And also we've got our AirPods, so we'll grab ourselves a lightning cable and we'll plug that in as well, and it's going to start charging up our AirPod clones. At this point we've still got the choice of either charging the device whilst it's going by plugging into another USB Type-C connector or a micro USB, or you can plug in another Type-C device to charge. So lots of flexibility, and both of these devices are charging at the highest rates possible, which is absolutely fantastic. So ultimately what it comes down to is quality, very high quality, supports all the latest standards. Again, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3, which is a really nice standard to have, and it just means it's going to be super quick to charge your devices. Also, loads and loads of safety features, which we can take a look at on the website now. So as it says, Smart Shield, we've got a full range of security protections. So there's quite a lot there, 16 different things. So input high voltage protection, we've got automatic current matching, device overcharge protection, output high voltage protection, input short circuit protection, reverse charge protection, input current protection, output short circuit protection, input current regulation, output current protection, static resistance, and fireproof guard. And I think that's pretty much enough. You've also got things like the high quality section inside, Smart Shield, Smart Boost, Smart Focus, as we said about earlier, and there's about 2.5 times faster than an ordinary power bank. So all in all, loads and loads of specs, universal compatibility with any device which supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3, and that includes devices from Razer, Google, Asus, Samsung, Sony, and Xiaomi. Also compatible with iPhone 8 and above, so Apple devices cater for, so you've got PD power delivery and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So overall, this device ticks tons and tons of boxes, but ultimately is not going to cost you an absolute fortune. And to boot, it looks very, very stylish. And once you're finished using it, you don't have to worry about getting it damaged. Stick it into its protective bag, stick it in your pocket, stick it in your jeans, or just drop it somewhere. It's fine because it bounces, because it's padded. What more could you ask for? I quite like this. So $18.99 at the moment on the Silicon Power website. Again, we'll put some links on there so you can check it out for yourself. But overall, I think it's a great device. It looks great. It's got lots of features on it. Safety is assured, especially with that metal casing. It's going to protect the battery from any accidental piercings and all that kind of stuff. You'd have to probably put it through a chainsaw or some kind of really destructive device to actually damage it, which is going to be a lot better than some of those plasticky devices we've got on the market right now. So this has been the Silicon Power QP60. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.